everybody, it's Alexis from the Bedford Life. I have been very busy gardening, but I took a quick little break to make myself some lunch and wanted to shoot a video to show you how to get rid of ants in your house. It's been very cold and very gross in New York, and all of a sudden the weather just changed very fast, and I've noticed that every time we have that quick change and it starts to get warm, I end up with ants in my house. Now, it happens every single year, but I'm going to show you a quick way to get rid of them with just 2 simple ingredients. What I've read, it seems as though the borax builds up gases inside of them and makes them explode. Again, sounds harsh, but I don't really care. I don't want ants. I would keep it away from pets and children. I just put mine on the card, stick them towards the back of the counter, and honestly, within 2 or 3 days, I have almost no sign of ants. There may be 1 or 2 lingering around, but for the most part, they're gone. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all of our new videos, product recommendations, and of course, sales from thebedfordlife.com. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again next week.